Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you one of the ways that you can actually make money through internet with it, which is print on demand. So basically guys, there is different type of selling clothes on the internet. One of them is like by having a supply on in your house or whatever it is, and you start selling it when people actually come to you and you give them the product. But there's the other one, which is demand on print on demand. So you put your product on your website, but you don't have really the product ready to be sold. But when people buy it, you will receive their money, and then you will start printing these stuff. So how we can do it? We will start with going to a website that's called Printful. So let's go to Printful. So in this website guys, you can print on demand. So whenever someone demand a customer clothes from you guys, then you will start printing and selling clothes for them. So basically what you'll have to do is sign up in here. Let's go here and let's sign up. You can sign up by just putting here your email or password, or just go and sign in with your Google Chrome or Gmail. Now after I sign up using my Gmail, as you can see, it may take a couple seconds until it fully loads, so let's give it some time. We're waiting. Yeah, or else you can just go through email and password and make it much easier for you to go. So now, what describes you the best? I have my own e-commerce, so I represent a non-profit organization. I'm a social media influencer. I represent a company, other personal. Here we choose start my first online business. How to get started. We don't need store setup, pricing. I'm just exploring. Google search, and here we can start order a sample, connect your source, printify, or design your custom product. So let's start designing. Here what you have to do, my new store, add the new store. Let's go to your new store. In here you can browse your products. So this is like the product that they give. For example, there is caps, there is shirts, sweatshirts, pillows, and etc. There's even phone cases and much more. So if you wanted to create your store, you can go to new store. If you want to manage your stores, you can just go here. So here, for example, you can name your store, and yeah, let's name it print on demand. And yeah, that's how you can create your store and start printing on demand. You can design here your first product, so design products and etc. You choose this, you start designing on it, start designing, and you start doing whatever you'd like to it, and right after that you start selling it on your store. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.